Now Uniden have been known for producing some of the best quality UHF radios in the industry. Now we've been using Uniden for years now. In our vehicles, we've got the 5-watt in-car radio.
Hey Simon, you there mate? Right behind you bud.
Now those things, they are awesome. Then when you're out of the vehicle, you've got to have a handheld radio. And that is a handheld 5-watt radio. One of the best units on the market. Strong, durable, no doubt about it. So Uniden, in their infinite wisdom, they've taken that in-car version and they've compacted it, they've waterproofed it, so why not better to get the XTRAK 40 shoved in your side-by-side or your quad bike or your tractor. Now the beauty of this thing is, it is 5 watt, so it's as powerful as your in-car radio, but it is IP67 rated, which means it is waterproof. This handheld piece, or this handpiece here, actually says submersible. Bit of a blowout of the microphone.
Yeah mate, yeah, lighting the place up, eh?
No problem whatsoever. Even the unit that you put in the vehicle is splash proof. Now it even comes with all the smart features of the Uniden in-cars. Like the replay. So if you're driving along, you're scooting along, screaming along, you got the noise of the engine in your ear and then you hear the radio. Wow, what did he say?
Yeah mate, yeah, lighting the place up, eh?
There you go. That's a pretty cool feature. Now once you've mounted it into your side-by-side, you'll also notice a little flexible antenna on the roof, which will take a bit of a beating, but still transmit. I don't know about you guys, but I reckon Uniden has hit the nail on the head.